If you're thinking about buying Laellium for weight loss, stop for a minute and watch this video first. Today, I'm breaking down what Laellium really is, its claims, ingredients, red flags, and whether it's a scam or legit. By the end, you'll know exactly if the supplement is worth your money or just another internet trap. So, let's get into it. Laellium is marketed as a keto-friendly, all-natural weight loss supplement that claims to burn fat faster, suppress appetite, balance blood sugar, boost energy, and improve digestion, all within just 1 week. Now, that already sounds too good to be true, right? Most legit supplements don't promise overnight miracles, but let's give it a fair look. The company highlights ingredients like green tea extract, berberine HCl, apple cider vinegar, ginger root, and cinnamon bark. These ingredients are commonly found in many metabolism support supplements, and yes, some of them do have known benefits. Green tea may support fat oxidation, berberine can help regulate blood sugar, and apple cider vinegar might help control appetite. They also claim the product is made in an FDA-registered facility in Tampa, Florida, comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, and has no subscription auto charges. On the surface, that sounds reassuring, but here's where things fall apart. First red flag, unrealistic results. Any product claiming noticeable weight loss in 1 week is playing the hype game, not the science game. Real metabolic changes take weeks to months, not 7 days. Second red flag, no dosage transparency. The label lists ingredients but doesn't clearly show how much of each ingredient is in the formula. Without that, you have no idea if you're getting effective doses or just powdered fillers. Third red flag, no clinical data or third-party testing. Legit supplement companies proudly share lab testing and clinical backing. Laellium offers none. In fact, the promise that one formula can burn fat, control cravings, detox the body, and boost energy is a classic marketing scam tactic. Last red flag, lack of real customer reviews. On Amazon, there's literally only one review, and it's negative. The person said, "Don't waste your money." Too good to be true, that's a warning sign if I've ever seen one. So, is Laellium a scam or legit? Based on the exaggerated claims, missing scientific proof, hidden dosages, and weak customer feedback, I'd say Laellium has more signs of a scam than a credible product. If you want real fat loss, stick to proven methods. Calorie control, healthy eating, strength training, and supplements with real science behind them. Don't get tricked by magic pills. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest health reviews. Got another product you want me to review? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay smart. Don't let fake marketing steal your money.